Now the question before us is 1,500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. This is the data before you. Compute the probability of a family chosen at random having 2 girls. So now what is the question? It is the question that a survey was done on 1,500 families. In this survey, it was to be found how many children a family is having. Only that family was to be taken into consideration which was having children up to 2. That is, the family may be having no child, 1 child, or up to 2 child, not more than that. So now this is the data before you, that in the case of 475 families, it was found that they were having 2 girls in the family. In the case of 814 families, it was found that they were having only 1 girl in the family. And in the case of 211 families, it was found that they were not having any girl child in their family. Now, the first question before us is compute the probability of a family chosen at random having 2 girls. So, what is the total number of families? Total number of families are given 1,500. So now what we have to find out? We have to find out number of probability of family having 2 girls. In this question, it is given that number of families having 2 girls is equal to 475. So we will write number of families having 2 girls is equal to 475. So now we have to find out the probability of a family having 2 girls is equal to number of families having 2 girls divided by total number of families. So what is the number of families having 2 girls? It is 475. Now what is the total number of families? This is 1,500. So now we will divide it by 5. What we will get? 95 over 300. We will again divide it by 5. We will get 19 over 60. So this is the probability. This is the answer of 3.1. Now the next. Now the second question is, here we have to find the probability of a family having 1 girl. So again, total number of families, it is 1,500. Now the number of families having, now the question is for one girl. Number of families having one girl is 8, 814. So probability of a family having one girl is equal to number of families having one girl divided by total number of families. So number of families having one girl are given here 814. Total families are given here 1500. Now we will divide it by 2. 407 divided by 750. This is the probability of a family having one girl. Now the next, now this is the third part of this question, and in this question we are to find the probability of a family having no girl. The same thing will write again. Total number of families 1500. Number of families having 0, or we can write no girl. It is 211. So we have to find the probability of a family having no girl is equal to number of families having no girl oblique total number of families. Here number of families having no girl is equal to 211. It will be divided by total number of families, which is 1500. So this is the answer of third part. Now again next part. Now we have calculated so far the probability of a family having two girls, one girl and no girl. So now we have to find whether the sum of these probabilities is 1. So we will sum up the probabilities which we have calculated so far. Sum of probabilities. What we had found out in the first case, it was 19 over 60. 19 over 60. What we have find out in the second case, it is 407 over 750. 407 over 750. Now what we have calculated on the third time, it is 211 divided by 1500. So the sum of probabilities is, we will calculate when 1500 is divided by 60, it comes 25. When 1500 is divided by 750, it becomes 2. Here it will be 1500 divided by 1500. So when we multiply 19 with 25, it comes it is 475 plus 814. When we multiply it, plus 211 divided by, when we sum up the same, we will find 9, 10, 5, 13, 5, 1500 divided by 1500. So the sum of probabilities is 1. We are given, we were to find out the sum of probabilities is 1. Yes, the answer is the sum of probabilities is 1. So we have been able to find out the probability of a family having 2 girls, 1 girl, no girl, and also whether the sum of probabilities is 1. Yes, the sum of probabilities of it has been found as 1. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.